What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Joe, Madness Recording Studios, Madness LGG, and welcome to another episode of the Riff Lab. Today, we are going to put the scratch track in the DAW, organize it, get a little bit of the tracks I want for my session going here, and then we'll call it a day, and hopefully next week we can start mixing. That's provided I can get good recordings with my guitars. Everything else is instruments in the DAW, the drums, the bass, all that. So that's easy. But recording the guitar, that could be a little tricky. I suck at it. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's get this scratch track in here. So where do I want it? Number 3. It's hard to see with that big light in my eyes. Now I just want to make sure that it's here. Yep. Okay. So what do we want to do first? The scratch track's up there. So first we'll have drums. I like mixing drums down. So we need to add instrument track. And it's right there. So we're going to call it drums. I also like how when I double click on the name here, it doesn't pull up a separate window. I can edit it right here. In Pro Tools, it pulls up a separate window. And it puts the window wherever it wants. Kind of annoying. Like if I'm working in this screen and I hit double click to change the name, I'm looking for it, not realizing it's over on this screen, you know. So there's a lot of things about this that's nice. I'm not going to put any instruments in here yet. I'm just plotting the thing. So bass is going to be an instrument, and we'll work on that later, but there's going to be 2 of them. So for now, we'll do 2 instruments. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can. All right, here. And 2 of them. For now. And then this. Okay, I wonder if I can. There we go, that'll work. And while we're here as well, color code it now. I don't gotta double click it like in Pro Tools. That's nice too. Yellow. Drums will be so used to double clicking. We'll make that color drums. Now we got the drums, bass. Now we need guitars. I'm still so getting used to this thing, man. And we're not going to do any acoustic guitars or clean guitars, not yet, because there is nothing like that in here yet. And I don't think I'm going to add anything to it, because I like the song the way it is now, just a metal-ish song, so we'll keep it like it is for now. This is for this song. If I ever do anything that has a lot more like keyboards or anything, there'll be a lot more tracks in this. This is going to be pretty simple. Especially because this is the first season, and I'm very new to doing this kind of stuff. Anyway. E-guitar. I want 4 of them. Yes, I quad track. And did it? 1, 2. Yeah, it sure did. All right. Blue. I really need to stop going in the fucking mic. And right now we got the drums. We got the bass. Oops, didn't want to do that. And we got the guitars, we got the scratch track. So right now, the basic setup is pretty much done for this. Like I said, this is simple. There's not going to be 16 million drum tracks or anything like that because it's a plugin. I mean, you can do that. You can break it up in here, but since these are plugins, they're already set. The panning should be set already. The reverbs and all the sounds that you do in the mix should already be in the plugin, which is why I kind of don't. I want to learn how to play drums. That's why I'm learning back here, because I want to learn how to fully mix everything, not just guitars. I want to be able to put a real bass in there, put real drums in there. Bass is easy because I can play bass. I play guitar, but I can't be a bass player and do the things that make it feel like a human bass player. All I can do is follow what the guitar does note for note, you know. I'm not a bass player as in I can create cool little things that tie the guitar and the drums together and the bass hold down that foundation between the two. I can't do that. So I'm not a bass player. I just play note for note and it doesn't sound as good. So one of these days I'll be able to do it all, but at least bass enough to where I can write my own entire songs. But for now, that's it. I want to save this because I want to show you guys something that I was talking about. Let's save this. And let's open up the mixer. Now, this is what I was trying to show you or talk about before. See the sends here? In Pro Tools, you got to actually click on the track and create an output. This, you don't. I just need to find the proper thing, which I don't know where everything is at here. Like I need a chorus or a gate. I need a time-based. I don't think it'll do it for normal stuff. Well, if I do it here, I guess it would, but we only need sends for time gate or time-based effects. Now I just need to find, let's see here. Where is there a search? There sure is. Reverb. Okay, there we go. Now, if I drag it into the sends, see, it automatically creates a bus. I really, really like that. And then I can go here. Wait, let me change the name first. Guitar verb. Guitar verb. Guitar verb. I want to try something. Hang on. I mean, this is all learning, so remove. I just want to see if you can do this to make it a little more sufficient. Let's see. Okay, gone. Yep, see? That easy. Highlight, drag and drop. You don't got to create anything. And automatically it made a new reverb. See? Or a new bus for the time-based effect. That's the stuff that makes me want to keep using this. That is an ease of workflow when you're in the mix and doing everything. But when you're trying to like navigate up here, it's kind of a pain in the ass. But I'll get used to it. And I'll get proficient at this DAW. So I have to because I bought it. I want to use it. So, but that's it for this episode. And the next episode we'll start mixing, man. We will start mixing and getting this song ready. All right. Have a good day, guys. Take care.